Original, original bad man. Oh.
I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby.
Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently.
Hey friends, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. I know I have been gone for a while. I had to take a little bit of a hiatus, but I'm glad to be back. I look forward to bringing you guys new videos, hair, DIY, lifestyle. I'm going to attempt to do a little bit of vlogging. We'll see. I'm still trying to get comfortable in front of the camera, but today I needed to deep clean my apartment, so I figured I would bring you guys along with me as I do that. I won't hold you for too long, and I'm definitely not going to talk the entire time, so I hope you guys just enjoy the music and the vibes as I reset. I don't do this every single week. It was just that the last couple weeks were really hectic for me, and I made a little bit of a mess in the refrigerator, had laundry piling up, so it was just a good day to, just clean from top to bottom. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, bye.
Original.
Every day I think about you. Got me going round, got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you. Yeah, hold me down, baby. You be looking so tasty. You so different when you're around me. You be holding me down so lately. Come around, drop those panties to the ground. The mandy got you freaking, throw it to the ground. You be acting like there ain't nobody around, but baby, it's just you and me around. All these Maggies got me feeling like I'm drowned. Fulfill your fantasies, girl, how you feeling now? You practically all in your feelings now. Every day I think about you. Got me going round, got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you. I've been thinking about you lately. I've been feeling that I need to have you daily. Just send me them news when you get home, so I know that you go home safely. Yeah. Come and kick it with me like an 808. It's okay, baby, get okay. You go work and I go uni, can't be late. But baby, fuck it, bring a man in 8. Yeah, that's calm, just come, yeah, we'll be done by 8. Soon as you step inside the place, I got you saying that you coming. Girl, I would never make you wait. Every day I think about you. Got me going round, got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you. Girl, you got me going round. Girl, you got me going. Girl, you got me going. Girl, you got me going. You got me going. Girl, you got me going. You got me going. Say you got me going. Every day I think about you. Got me going round. Got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me the truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right into thrive. And when I realize I was playing, living by my own rules, I need you to survive. More than anything, you're all I've ever needed. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back. Oh, I'll keep running back to you. Found it in your love. How could I ever escape from you? You have captured my heart and wrapped me in your arms and set me free by your word. I know that I couldn't ever run, even though the storms may come, even through the fire and the rain. Right here in you I trust. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back. Oh, I'll keep running back to you.
Every day I think about you. Got me going round, got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you. Yeah, hold me down, baby. You be looking so tasty. You so different when you're around me. You be holding me down so lately. Yeah, come around, drop those panties to the ground. The man, they got you freaking, throw it to the ground. You be acting like there ain't nobody around. But baby, it's just you and me around. All these Maggies got me feeling like I'm drowned. Fulfill your fantasies, girl, how you feeling now? You practically all in your feelings now. Every day I think about you. Got me going round, got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you. I've been thinking about you lately. I've been feeling that I need to have you daily. Just send me them news when you get home, so I know that you go home safely. Yeah.